job at hand today is a helicoil Toyota 118 cylinder block. First step, you'll find a thread that's still in good condition and find out how far below the deck surface it is. $75mm. Just keep a mental note of that for later on when we reinstall the helicoil. 11 by 1.5 recoil tap, T-bar. Got a bit of lubrication, tapping fluid, CRC. So we've measured the depth of the thread, kept that in memory for later on. 11.25mm drill bit. Drill the old thread out. Over to the helicoil tap. T-bar, drive. Start it off a couple of turns. And we'll check it with the set square to make sure we're going down the square. Slight bit of adjustment at the start. Keep adjusting and checking until you get it where you want it. A few more turns. Another check. And we'll be pretty right from there. Off we go. 4 to 5 turns in, half a turn to a turn back, all the way down to the bottom. You can do it in a couple of goes. Don't rush it. You don't want the tap binding up or anything down this hole, then you'll end up in a bit of trouble. So take your time, nice and slow. Blow the hole out often. Being a blind hole, it might bind up. I'm about halfway here. Keep the lube up to the tap. Got a fair way to go. We're about 75mm down the thread is, so we'll be tapping up to about here, roughly. So as you see, with the T-handle and the tap and the thread, how far we went in on the footage beforehand, nearly 85mm. So we'll be easily be able to accommodate 75mm when we install the helicoil. Again, blow the thread out. Helicoil installer. Had to make these slightly modified, probably 30 to 40mm longer than a standard one you buy with the kit, being that the thread's so far down in this hole. So always pay attention to keep a little bit of pressure on the coil when first starting to make sure it doesn't skip any threads. Okay, just keep a little bit of pressure on until it's in the hole. Okay, we're flush with the cylinder deck. We know we want to be 75mm down the hole. Earlier on just marked the texture mark on the installer to give me a rough indication when I'm close to the height that I need. So we'll just wind down until that place. Easily just about here with my texture mark. You might not be easy to see. Coming close. Wind to there. We'll stop. Grab the vernier and just measure down to see if we're at the correct height. Okay, we're at about 71mm now. Another turn or two and we'll be there. Okay. We've achieved the height we're after. Just have to break off the tang, the piece that the installer locates on. Okay. We'll find it on it, turn it up, turn the installer 90 degrees. Quick knock. Quick visual inspection down the hole, make sure I haven't skipped any threads. Give it a really good blowout. Grab our headbolt. Feels like there's still a little bit of swath down there, so we'll pull it back out. give it another clean out and retest it again. Line the hole out again. Run the bolt down, make sure everything feels free. Everything's nice. Job complete. That's the installation of a helicoil on a cylinder block.